Andrew, the rest of you goons and mutants, I don't have time for a lengthy intro. Suffice it to say, I'm happy to be back. What an insane couple of weeks. Can't even talk about it right now. All is well. And I appreciate your patience out there, Aldo, Mike, Andrew. Totally appreciate it. Aldo, your parts have arrived, so look for some progress notes and updates soon. Andrew, this is your champ kit, your tweed champ kit that you built at one of Colleen's classes. Awesome. Oh, you guys, I reorganized the shop space and we're taking advantage of all this beautiful natural sunlight we have. I can't wait to show y'all. But Andrew, let's get back on topic, huh? Now. You're in business. Yeah, you're 100% in business. What did I find? Well, not much. And what did I do? Well, not much. Outside of taking some electronic measurements or electrical measurements, she's running at about 98.5% max plate, which is fine. A little over 14 watts, probably like 14.2 watts. That's not at clipping. This is your first kit build, and I'll commend you on it, man. My first one caught on fire. It was a Tweed Deluxe. Not that that was more ambitious than this, because when you're dealing with these little cramped chassis, it's all hard, man. So good job, man. Good job on your first build. Just a little nits to pick would be, and you can go back and do this anytime. Just shorten up some of these. There's some excessive lead length here for stuff. Don't even worry about it, to be honest with you, man. Just play it until it burns down. I just cleaned up the lead dress just a touch, just in an effort to reduce some of the background noise. But you're not going to get rid of it. I mean, you're dealing with an amp running in Class A, so you have one power tube going. You're not going to get any push-pull noise cancellation. But with respect to your amp, it's not bad. See that? That's full up. She's healthy. So I've had her burning in. I'm going to just shut it off. I've had her burning in for 45 minutes, and I was running signal through it at about 75% of the max volume. And this is just the tail end of that. I'm just showing you. But she's been rock solid. The caps are in good health. Again, your measurements are pretty much right over the target. So other than that, man, I would say keep on playing and keep on building. You did a great job for your first one. I'm always suspicious of these Weber, their copper caps. Always a little suspicious, but this one is quite stable, and it's just getting, it's a little hot, but that it's gonna dissipate heat. Your JJ, you're not going to get the true 6v6 tone out of this. This is basically, and you'll see this online. It's almost cliche to say, but it's a 6L6 stuffed in a smaller envelope. So you'll get more of the 6L6 tone, which is a good thing. But you won't get like the creamy overdrive that you would out of a true 6v6. But the good news is these have some additional power handling capabilities, which in today's day and age of wall voltage and sometimes in excess of 120 volts, that's a good thing to have on your side. Your preamp tube performing well. Other than that, man, friggin' tremendous effort for your first build. So I'm going to continue letting this thing burn in for another 30 minutes or so before we call it a day. Great job.